Hello everyone, welcome back to Growing with the Gold, your place to check the gold standard of gardening. So today, it's finally starting to warm up here in Humboldt. Sun's coming out, we're starting to get more consistent warm days, we're moving into real spring, so it's time to start direct seeding some things. We're about to get some summer and winter squashes in the ground. Here I have a Sweet Mama squash, this is from Fedco Seeds. Just a beautiful little winter squash. Another thing that's easy to grow and easy to store, and a lot of people like to eat it. Across all cultures, across all styles of cooking, these sorts of things go really well. That's our goal here in this community garden, to grow things that everybody will enjoy, all of our staff, all of our family and friends. So these say plant 1 inch deep, about 4 to 5 per well-fed hill. Well, we're in a giant pot. We're not in hills. We're not in a yard. I'm gonna go a little heavier than that 4 to 5, and we're gonna go 8 in this 400-gallon pot. It should get us a nice ring of plants with one in the center. Hopefully these things cascade over the side and we get a great yield. And there you have it. Direct seeding is as easy as pie. Well, come back again next time and check us out on Growing with the Gold, and we'll see what these seeds do. Hopefully we have a fantastic harvest of winter squash in about 120 days.